ay ang OSAA despite whatever they want to say, lalo na si Cayetano. Hindi na yun nakakagulat dahil nirelease ng ABS-CBN ang video ni reporter Zian Ambrosio. Ang mga narinig na putukan ng kasama niya ang mga NBI, malinaw na malinaw sa ating pandinig at nakikita na hindi NBI ang nagpaputok ng baril and they are not even going to arrest Bato sa Senado noon. So mapapaisip ko tuloy kung bakit niya ginawa yun.
Then he came back. Continue. You could see muzzle fire. Plaska pointed the gun towards the window and tried to discharge the firearm. However, the gun jammed. He tried again, the gun jammed, and then his aide fixed the gun for him. Continue. After which, he discharged the firearm again. Mind you, there was nobody there. There was no shots being fired at them. Okay? After the last fire, this one of the 40 caliber, sinong agent ba to? One last fire? Montilla.
Montilla, sir.
Okay, they retreated.
Bakit siya nagpuputok ng baril? Gusto niyo ba mag-practice? Hindi natin alam. Pero, I have a theory. And again, this is just a theory. A Philippine clusterfuck political bullshit theory. Kasi, kinabukasan ng alas 2 to around alas 3 ng umaga, may umalis na kotse na allegedly ay kay Senador Robin Boy Silly Padilla. And plot twist, nawala na namang parang bula si Senator Bato. Conveniently, hindi siya nakapag-log out sa guard. Si Robin lang. Ang salarin na booking nang i-release ang CCTV.